Hopefully it works. All right, Bob, so it's raining out here, slight rain. You wanted me to make a video, so you said it wasn't real unless I got a video, as everybody says. So here's that video. Here's the corn. Hopefully it's good enough for you. There we go. Confetti! And there goes my tail blades once again. All right, Bob, I hope that was good enough for you. Yeah. Tail blades actually hold up pretty. Oh, no, there they go. Shoot. All right, well, like that better be good enough for you, Bob, because I just shredded my tail blades, brand new tail rotor blades over a stupid rock. Dagburn Road. All right, Bob, better be good enough for you. There you go. There's your greenage for you.